Hello, welcome back to the Workbench. I have what possibly could be the coolest truck that I have seen. I saw one of these at the RC swap meet that Friendly Hobbies had. That's our hobby place here in Las Vegas. And this guy had one of these, and I had to have one because it's right up the channel's alley of things to rebuild. And yeah, so let's there it is. I see it. Of course, you've seen it. It's on the thumbnail. There it is. And why is this thing so cool? Well, because it is. And it came in one piece. It's a Drive It brand. So it's a Drive It brand truck. And there it is. And it has it has all but one wheel on it. But that's okay. We'll figure out the wheels in some other day. Oh, and this one came off, so that one's easier to come off. But look at this thing. This is a old remote control truck. Let me zoom in so you can see what's going on. I had it zoomed in real close. This to me looks like the motor here. There's the transfer case, or I don't know what the heck we'll call that. We'll call that the gearbox. We've got a connector here in the back. This is a 6-pin connector. And that 6-pin connector connects to 6 things. Well, 2 things really. Connects to the motor, which these 2 green wires and this white wire, which looks like it was connected to there. And we got a red, a green, and a yellow probably. That could be white as well. And that goes up here to the front to another motor, which did the steering on this thing. So that is really cool. So I don't know what voltage this thing uses. I don't know if it works. I don't know anything about it. So I need to do some research on this thing. Like for you to tell me down below what you think it is. I've got 2 other projects on the bench, but I had to have this one. Because why wouldn't you want this, right? So I had to have this. Looks like it was Gorilla Glued these wheels on the front. And that's okay. We can fix that. That's not a big deal. But it is a Drive It by L.N. Schwinn Engineering Company, Los Angeles, California. And it is die cast. It is not pressed steel. That's painted on. Got a broken front bumper, but we could make a new one of those probably with something 3D printed. And it's heavy. Oh yeah. I'm not going to take it apart in this video. I just wanted to get it on the bench so I could look at it and see what was going on. I'll have another video where we take it apart and explore it a little bit. But I got 2 other projects on the bench. I've got that. So I've got the Mustang on the bench, which is here in this state. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with it. I think what I'm going to do is figure out if I can get that gearbox to work. I'm going to 3D print it to work with that little motor I found last time. I think I'm going to make it work with this steering. I think that would make it the coolest. So that's the plan for this. That one should be done. I'll get this one done before the next one. Don't worry, I'm going to finish it. Then I've got the Indy Roadster on the bench as well. I've got it de-rusted and sanded and wire brushed out. This is super thin metal. I wasn't able to save the bottom or really any of the other parts for that matter. So this is going to be a complete rebuild to get this thing up and going. but it'll be fun. It'll be cool. So I'm going to do a little bit more sanding on it because there's never enough sanding, right? So do a little bit more sanding and get it primed and probably painted, and then we'll come back to it on the bench. You don't need to see me do the sanding on it. It does have a name right here though. So if anyone knows what that says, let me know down in the comments. I'm interested to know what that is. I think it's Japanese. I don't know if it's Japanese writing. It might be English, but from what I have found on this thing, it looks like it's a Japanese tin toy. But it's super thin. You can see how thin that is. This is when you check to make sure you got your tetanus shot up to date. But yeah, that's a bench update. Thanks for everyone who's subscribing. If you're interested in this kind of truck, this Indy car, this Mustang, stay tuned. We got more coming on the channel.